Here at Swift, we pride ourselves in using compliant products. In most cases, we like to exceed the local rules. The Genesis system as a whole affords us that opportunity, from the primers to the top coats to the clear coats, all well below the Arizona standard, which we have to comply with. Primer systems which we currently use are the 933 and the 819. One's a urethane, one's an epoxy. The epoxy lends itself to sticking to the aluminum substrate, and the 819 works out really well over the fiberglass and the plastics that we use today.
In choosing a primer for a solid base and undercoat for metal products that we paint, generally, because we are a manufacturer, most of the items that I receive to coat are in a raw metal state, whether it be aluminum, stainless steel, regular steel, galvanized coated steel. In using 933A, it's an epoxy primer that gives you the flexibility to pretty much coat any substrate, which for us is a huge bonus.
The main reason we use these two primers is, first of all, the adhesion of the epoxy 933 to the aluminum. Very durable product there. Gives us a great foundation for the Genesis G4 to go over. The 819 urethane, very quick product. Speed is paramount here in the fleet industry, and it also gives a great foundation for the Genesis G4 to go over.
In using 933A, it being an epoxy-based primer, a lot of the epoxies that I've used in the past have had an induction time of 30 minutes. Well, when you're waiting for primer to induce itself, you're wasting time. With 933A, you have the flexibility of zero induction time, which makes it all the better for a production facility like ours. We can go right from mix to gun to spray, and with a dry time of 15 minutes to top coat. By the time you get your gun cleaned out, you're ready to spray your finished coat, and you're on your way. We don't have to metal etch anymore, which was a whole process of cleaning with acids. It's dangerous. 933A epoxy primer is probably one of the easiest epoxy primers to spray, and it gives you good color holdout, as well as knowing that it's going to lay flat. Within 30 minutes, you're on the top coat and it's out the door. With those kind of results in speed, you basically accelerate your production tenfold that way.